Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So this video will be about Ecwid. Ecwid is an online e-commerce platform that allows small businesses to easily set up and manage an online store. It's a great solution for people who want to start selling products online without having to build a website from scratch or deal with complicated coding. So let's head to the website and create our simple account. So the website is in French, I think. Wait. Ah, and I see what's wrong with the name. Where to set the language? So we have global. Now the website is French again. Uh, I mean back to the normal language. So let's get started. So your free online store is just a click away. Get started with a free account, your full name, your email, and you need a password. Next, set up your store so you can sign up with Apple, Facebook, or Google, and I think I prefer Google in this case. So are the same information with Google or with email for me, at least. Why did I save the information when I was about to log with Google account? I don't know. So one of the main advantage of Ecwid is its simplicity. The platform is easy to use and you can customize your store design to match your branding. You can add products, manage your inventory, and proceed orders all from a user-friendly dashboard. So loading control panel. Another benefits of Ecwid is its versatility. It integrates with a variety of different platforms, including popular website builder like WordPress and Wix, as well as social media sites like Facebook and Instagram and others. This means you can sell your products across multiple channels, which can help you to reach a wider audience and increase your sales. So get ahead and start your store setup. Store name. What's your country and currency? So next we have the city. Why do you need this specific information? And the state and the zip code. Next we have tell us a little about yourself. Do you already have an experience selling? Uh, just looking around. What type of products will you be selling? Where to find people? People. Home, no. Adult. Wait. Selling adult or selling? Oh, other. No, okay. Not sure yet. Are you setting up a store for someone else? Yes, I'm developing the store for a client. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes. Uh, okay, it's no, but it's too late. So choose where you be running your store. Did you already have a website? No. No worry. Just choose an address for free. Thank you. Madara domain already exists. So the secret thing is I use Madaga. Always, always available. They can't say to me that is already taken. So we have the plans. Here we have the free plan, 0. We have the venture, $14. The business, 29. We have, wait, how can I? Oh, the unlimited, uh, $82.5 per month. So you can get started with any plan you like, and let's continue with the free one. Okay, so here you can get help. Here's your account. You need a profile picture for this. We have the upgrade button, the menu, how to get started, the steps. There is a percentage here to help completion your website and page, how to launch your website step by step. So Lisa will show you. We have here the sales, the orders, the abandoned cart, customer, the editor. We have catalog, products, categories, gift cards, marketing, automation, and others. We have the reports, the overview, the website, overview, design. You can design your website here. You can change domain or buy one. Here we have Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and mobile selling and other channel, Messenger, shopping, Google, show up, shop, shop up, eBay, Amazon. Here we have the design of your website, the payments, the shipping and pickup, the settings. Here we have the general settings, the taxes, the legal, the information, invoice, customer groups, product type, product filter, custom checkout field, and edit store labels. Partner with us, collapse menu. Here we have the profile and the apps that you can add to your website. So here we have the billing and plans and the staff account. So I think we are heading to the profile. So overall, if you are looking for an easy and flexible e-commerce solution for your business, your small business, Ecwid is definitely worth it considering it's affordable, user-friendly, and offers plenty of features to help you succeed in the world of online selling. So those are the plans. I already saw that. What am I doing here? Billing and plans. We have staff accounts. So you can edit your profile here. You can see your profile, the picture. You can't edit the picture here, I think. Here we have change name and email, password, link an account. We have the linked account Google. You can unlink it, and here you can close your account when you wish to delete your profile. Yes. Wait. Did I? Wow. 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 This was really fast. If I no account as wow. Okay, okay. This website is amazing. It deleted the account in less than a second. Okay, I think that's it for today's guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.